Hey there, welcome to another tech troubleshooting video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many Windows users may face. Imagine this scenario. You're in a rush and accidentally interrupt a computer shutdown. Later, you notice that your mouse cursor is suddenly moving much slower and has shrunk in size. Frustrating, right? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. Now, onto the solution for this mouse-related problem. It appears that the slow movement and smaller cursor could be a result of a DPI mismatch caused by the interrupted shutdown. Here's where the solution comes in. Try changing the resolution to something else, and then back to its native setting. Alternatively, adjusting the DPI scaling attribute could also help resolve the issue. These simple steps might just get your mouse cursor back to its normal speed and size in no time. In summary, if you ever find yourself in a sticky situation where your mouse cursor is behaving oddly after interrupting a computer shutdown, remember these troubleshooting tips. By tweaking the resolution settings or adjusting the DPI scaling attribute, you could potentially fix the slow movement and smaller cursor problem. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing.